ضمن سلسلة أهم 3000 كلمة في اللغة الإنجليزية. كلمة abroad 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 وتعني في الخارج أو في خارج الوطن. مثال: The company has offices abroad in various countries. The company has offices abroad in various countries. I always wanted to live and work abroad. I always wanted to live and work abroad. I plan to work abroad after graduation. I plan to work abroad after graduation. I want to study English abroad. I want to study English abroad. Living abroad, away from my family, is very hard. Living abroad, away from my family, is very hard. Now, can you write your own sentence? Write them in the comments.